and Gardens Lake Realty. For this 4th of July weekend, I'm going to show you some drinks to make. One of my favorite parts of the 4th is getting to spend quality time with friends and family. And we usually have a cocktail in hand, so I'm just going to make some margaritas. I've kind of put some of the ingredients in there, so I can't share all of my secrets. But that's it. We are still working, so don't let the drinking a margarita fool you. We're always able to take your calls and show you properties, but on our days off, we do get to enjoy some margaritas with the family. And this 4th of July, we have a lot of red, white, and blue.